this is exactly how to reset forgotten iPhone password. So let's say you forgot your iPhone password, or you are trying to type in a new password, and then you see iPhone unavailable for a certain period of time. Now you want to access your iPhone, or because you've forgotten the password, then this is what you should do. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you find yourself in this situation, all you need to do is click on Forgot Passcode. Then you're going to have two options on the screen. The first one is enter previous passcode. So if you previously changed your iPhone passcode, you're going to see enter previous passcode or iPhone reset. Since you want to reset your forgot iPhone passcode, click on enter previous passcode. You should be able to remember your last passcode before you forgot it. Go ahead and type in the last passcode, and I should see a new product says enter your new passcode. With this, you will be able to change your passcode on your iPhone. Click on passcode option to select the passcode option you want to use on your iPhone. In this case, I want to use 4-digit numeric code. Go ahead and type in the passcode. Again, confirm the passcode. Now, this is going to grant you access to your iPhone using your previous passcode. And then voila. You see that? So that is exactly how to fix forgot your iPhone passcode. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.